Question number 19. It is like this. There is a well, right? There is a well, and this is the ground, right? And this is here is water surface. Here is water surface. What is said? What is the surface? What is the depth of water surface?
It takes 20 seconds from the pebble to reach the water.
Okay. यहाँ से आपने क्या किया? यहाँ पे एक जो बंदा खड़ा था, उसने जो है उसने यहाँ से एक पेबल को फेंका नीचे. इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने में, यहाँ तक पहुँचने में how much time it takes?
It takes 20 seconds for the pebble to reach the water surface.
Time from here to here, time taken to reach surface of water. Surface of water. 20 seconds. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Taking g is equal to 10 meter per second square.
G is 10 meter per second. Here G is 10 meter per second.
And
Per second square, right? And
the speed of sound is equals to 330 meter per second square.
that is a different thing. So at इसने यहाँ से फेंका तो u is equal to 0. Pebble start falling from rest. So u is equal to 0. So in that case, h is equal to ut plus half gt square. This u is equal to, u is given us 0. So this whole turns to be 0. So you can write h is equal to half gt square. So half into 10 into t is how much time it is taking? 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
So 20 whole square. It becomes 5 times 2 becomes 10, and 5 into 400. So meter. So H is equal to 2000 meter. 2000 meter, right? So this height from here to here, height from surface of water, from top to the surface of liquid water, H is equal to 2000 meter. Now when I wrote wrong, when pebble when pebble start falling, so when pebble touch water surface, then sound produce, right? So time taken to reach top top of well, that is speed into speed is equal to distance upon time. Yeah, so we have 2000, so time is we have to find now. 2000 meter upon what is the speed of sound?
330 meter per second square. 330 meter per second square.
So this is speed of sound is 300 meter per second.
So 330.
330 meter per second. So it is 330 meter. So when we solve this, it takes around how much? .06 seconds. 6.06 seconds. Right? So this sound will go back in sound will go back in 6.06 seconds, right? So time to hear sound, time taken by men to hear splash is equal to 20 second plus 6.06 second is equal to 26.06 second. What is your answer?
26.1 second.
ठीक है हाँ 26.1 ये राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो 1 हो जाएगा तो 26.06 seconds it will take to reach the sound. The time taken by men to hear splash or sound. Right? This is we have pebble. Pebble. Done?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can do the question number 19. Shriram,
Yes, sir.
what is next?
A stone is dropped freely from the top of a tower and it reaches the ground in 4 seconds. Taking g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Calculate the height of the tower.
So do it. Question number
18.
18.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is. So this is the ground. This is ground.
Yes, sir.
This is tower. Right? This is tower. If you throw a ground, if you
Stone.
if you throw a stone thrown from rest, then u is equal to 0. So it starts falling down to ground. It reaches here, right? It takes t is equal to 4 seconds. T is equal to 4 seconds. T is equal to 4 seconds. है ना? So what it is asking for? And there is G is
10 meter per second square.
and G is 10 meter per second square.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to find?
Calculate the height of the tower.
So height of the tower is equal to u is 0,
Yes, sir.
so it becomes half gt square, right? So it becomes how much? 1 by 2 into 10 into 4 whole square. It is 5, so it becomes 5 into
4.
4 square is 16. 5 times 6,
80.
16 becomes 80. So it is 80 meter. Right? What is your answer?
80 meter.
So height of tower is 80 meter. this is the ball. Stone. This is also a stone. Okay. So then
Yes, sir.
what is next?
A ball is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 49 meter per
Question number
17.
Question number 17. There is a ball. There is a man. This is the ground. Right? There is a man. Say this height is negligible. He thrown a stone upwards, na?
Ball.
Ball. So this is a ball
Thrown vertically
upwards.
with an initial velocity of 49 meter per second.
U is equal to 49 meter per 49. Sorry. U is equal to 49
Meter per second.
meter per sec. 49 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and G is 10
9.8 meter per second.
9.8 meter per second square.
Yes, sir.
When it reaches to maximum height, right? This is the maximum height it reaches, right? This is the maximum height. Maximum height is equal to h. So here v is equal to 0, right? So we can get we can use formula v is equal to, we can write v is equal to u plus minus g. Time is given us.
No, sir.
So what else is given?
Only velocity, and after that calculate the maximum height attained, and
No, maximum height attained, that's fine. But
only we it has gained velocity and g.
okay. So we will use v square is equal to u square plus minus plus 2 minus g into h. Where v is equal to 0, it is 0. So we can write 0 square is equal to 49 square plus minus minus 2 into 9.8 into h. So now we bring this on the other side, so it becomes 2 into 9.8 is equal to 49 into 49 into h. So h is equal to 49 into 49 upon 9.8 into 2, right? This is so this maximum height is, you remove 10 from here, take 10 from here, right? 2 times 49 becomes 98. It is 2 times, right? And when you divide it by, when you divide 490 divided by 4, meter. So how much you get? 490 divided by 4. 1 times 4, 9. 2 times 4, 8. 1 0. 2 times 8,
122.5.
2.5. 20. So height is 122.5 meter. This is the maximum height of the stone. What else?
The time taken by it before it reaches the ground again.
How much time it will take to reach again? Okay. We have done this.
The going
So,
coming will be equal now.
Again from coming from here to here, u is 0. So h is equal to half gt square. So g is
9.8.
490 upon 4 लिखो यहाँ पे 490 upon 4. 2 will go up and 9.8 comes down, right? Is equal to t square. So when we remove this decimal, we get a 0 here, right? So how much you will get? 5 times 98 becomes 490. If we multiply it by 5 times, we get this. So it is 1 and it is 5, right? And 4, 1 times 4 becomes 4 and 5 times 4 becomes 20. So you get how much?
25.
25 is equal to t square. Taking root over both sides, so t is equal to 5 seconds. So it takes 5 seconds to reach down. Yeah? Takes 5 seconds. Takes 5 seconds to return to reach on ground from maximum height.
So 5 seconds गलत आ रहा है.
How much is coming?
10 seconds.
5 सेकंड गलत आ रहा है कैसे? Okay. I got it.
तो हमने 9.8 को लिया, 490 upon 4 को लिया.
No. That is this is you understand, huh?
Yes, sir.
If I rub all this, so h is equal to half g t square, right? So 2 into 490 by 4 is equal to 9.8 t square. ये तो हुआ. Now when you bring it here, so it becomes 2 upon 9.8 into 490 upon 4 is equal to t square. अरे यार, I did correct. तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Sir, question second है time taken by it before it reaches the ground again.
So I was correct there.
5 seconds.
Yes. This is 0. So this takes 5 times. This is 5 times. So we get 25 is equal to t square, taking root over. So we get t is equal to 5 seconds. Right? Time this it is it t is 5 seconds. Time from maximum height to ground. Total time of flight, total time of flight is equal to 2 into t. 2 into 5 becomes 10 seconds. I was correct, लेकिन just I lost my concentration regarding that. कि right. So total time of flight is 10 seconds. Is equal to 10 seconds. And it is asking total time. It is asking total time. कि उसको पूरा टाइम कितना लगा. तो यहां से यहां तक वापस आने में पूरा टाइम जो उसको लगेगा वो लगेगा 10 seconds. Right? So this is sufficient?
Yes, sir.
Right?